the tightest one, and me know you like it strong. Turn wrong in your position.
No, well on there, baby girl. Look. I have a better wait for you. Right there, so.
Reaction.
What's up, YouTube? It's about Tariq. I'm back with another video for you guys. Now we're going back in Belize. What's happening? You don't know the Russian boss is back in full effect. We have a song by Denzi. You feel me? Shout out to yourself, big up yourself, that's me. I said, big up the whole camp from Belize, right? No Russian boss, they are represent full again. We're kind of posting every day again. We are posting every day again. We have a song called Yslm. You should let me. You should let me smash, baby girl. You should let me. Why? You should let me. You see me? I said, you should let me be your man or something. You know, you should let me do something. You should let me bust it. We don't know. We get straight to the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at Tariq Vlog. We're trying to reach 10k followers on the gram. We're like 1k away. What are you waiting on if you're not following me yet? Go follow me right now. Tariq Vlogs is right here. Like, right. This up. Let's chat things. And tune. Right. Why I start the video the way you know we hold the mic a little closer to the mic the right here, so baby girl, don't start the video that way because you know say you're in trouble right now, no? Any girl can bubble in trouble, you know? Good. Oh wow. Yo, run this little music. Yo Denzi.
Although you're bad, me still like your style.
Yeah.
Enough day where you're feeling off the time.
Yeah.
Do you want me want in my arms, girl? And
Yeah.
got the brightest smile, and God knows she will give me anywhere, any day.
Well,
when me come.
let me tell you this, Mr. Denzi. Say the girl with the ear video and my girl. So I like how you bows up on her right. So I like how you lie on her lap and beat things right. So I don't like that. I don't love that. Because you know, so I go DM her it up on Instagram. As a matter of fact, baby girl, go follow me on Instagram right now. Tariq Vlogs, go on. I have a thing to say to me. I have something to say to you. You see me, I say. I don't like that, Denzi. I don't like that. And my girl, when she in a year video, you see me, I say. But let's chat things. Go on.
True. Me know you got your man, but baby girl, you should let me touch you in the nicest place anyway. Got me want to hold you out.
Who said skinny girls that win? Who said the skinny girls them a win? Who said the skinny girls them a win? Me.
When you give me that nice, that tight, that sweetest one, control you. And girl, go on your hand back, we no bother about say it hurt you. Me know you love me touch you. For real. Girl, I got the tightest one, and me know you like it strong. Turn wrong in your position.
No, well on there, baby girl. Look. I have a better wait for you. Right there, so. Like Alkaline say. This. Hit me. See that Tariq Vlogs? Follow me right now. Talk to me nice. How do you on Instagram do it? How do you on Instagram do it? Yes. You know I'm going to play by that part. I want to see what I go on right there. So now, bam.
Girl, I got the tightest one, and me know you like it strong. Turn wrong in your position when you are ride it, girl. And then you climb on the bike. It's so right, it's so tight, it's so nice. Got me hypnotized every single night. Fling out the body, girl. Tell me what you like. Anything you do.
And she some walk too. Bad girl, big bumper, pretty cute face of it. Ride it. Bubble up. Baby girl. Go on.
I feel you should let me Touch you in the nicest place anyway, got me want to hold you. And then you give me that nice, that tight, that sweet.
Hey man, you just passed the place a while ago, brother. Man, just put it on level 1. You said, don't touch my girl, brother. My girl, when she in a your video, brother. Why you do it, bad man? You know, like Terry Vlogs Prosper. Why you do it? No, me forget watch it again.
Feel you should let me touch you in the nicest place anyway, got me want to hold you. And then you give me.
Bruh. Not even talk to you now, Mr. Dempsey. Baby girl, picture this, right? Man at the room. You see me, I say, I'm going to turn on the bicycle light there over there, so say. If you look at dark, I'm going to show you what I'm going on about. Boom. They're ready. You see me, I say, the room red. I kiss up on your body and bathing. You see me, I say, kiss up on your body and bathing. And my sister start dry and slowly. Looking like. Slowly. It's alright, man. I set too much on the video. Terry Vlog, see it right there, so go follow me. Who text me? I don't know who that. One son of you, I don't care. Hey, go on!
That nice, that tight, that sweetest one, control you. And girl, go on your head back, we no bother out, say it hurt you. Me know you love and me touch you. Girl, for real, all the neighbors hear you scream. After work, me I take off a sleeve.
Think of neighbors, I want different state them are gonna hear you scream. And the neighbors are gonna hear you scream, but people, link to the original songs down below in the description of this video. Go check out Denzi. You see me, I say go and comment over this and make you know say the reaction boss selling over this. So I'm gonna subscribe to DJ Perf channel also. You see me, I say, you man big up yourself, you know, send your perf. And Randy Sutherland, you do good.
And then make me pop on your wave. We could fuck on the streets. Everybody want it for repeat. Nobody call police because you should let me touch you in the nicest place anyway, got me want to hold you. And then you give me that.
Yo, Denzi, me I go fight with him, brother. Brother, me just want you. I said, don't really touch up on your body too much, brother. Just, yo, you pass a place, you know, bro. God. You pass a place right now, in the dog. You're not take telling in the youth.
Touch you in the nicest place anyway, got me want to hold you. And then you give me that nice, that tight, that sweetest one, control you. And girl, go on your head back, we no bother out, say it hurt you. Me know you love and me touch you. For real.
Big up yourself. See the right up on the screen. Special thanks. Dream Valley Belize. Big up yourself. Who else today? Perfect. Don't know chat. Big up yourself. Who else? Play a show market. Big up yourself. I need dummy. I don't know chat. So go check out the album too. Bumbuckle belt. Anyways, people, let Mr. Been boy. Terry Vlogs, aka the reaction. Boss. Now we're gone. Peace.